I'm a 2D animator. Can I learn 3D in just 24 hours? You guys know the rules. I have 24 hours to design, model, texture, rig, and animate a 3D character, and at the end of the day, my audience decides whether I become a 3D animator or I keep my day job. What you guys probably don't know about me is that I actually started my animation career in Blender. In middle school, I begged my mom to buy me this book so I can make, model, and rig my own 3D characters in Blender. This is by Oliver Villar of the legendary YouTube channel Blend Tuts. I never finished the book. Maybe I can crush this in a couple hours. Yo, I'm broke, I can't pay for school. Skillshare got my antidote. Join the class and learn from home. And now you're fit to make some dough like Denarius. Pick a trade and marry it, make it. Take it serious, we putting bread up on the table for your family sandwiches, just like a hobby. To pass some time until you're good enough to profit. It's like the sweet spot between university and work. Remote perks wouldn't hurt to pick your fit, to test it and switch. If you lose interest, doesn't matter. I took a class on foreshortening, now I'm a master. Yeah, maybe not, but at least I do it better. All the effort was rewarded by a skill I can't remember. Blum, blum, diddy dum. I'm getting educated on the web, diddy dum. There are 3 types of contour lines, starting from the outside, then the latitude, longitudinal ways of describing. Blum, blum, diddy day. I'm getting educated on the web, diddy day. If anybody learns anything, anytime, anywhere, they can benefit from a membership with Skillshare. The first 500 people to scan this QR code or use my link in the description will receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. 3, 2, 1, go. I think this book is written for Blender version 2.71. The current Blender version is 5.1. All the interface in this book looks super dated. Blend Tuts is a really good teacher, so I think it should be fine. So let's start with character modeling. Before you can start modeling, you need to load into your scene the character designs you created. Bam! This is actually gonna be kind of controversial, but... Okay, Kopi, what's up? I'm looking for how to check on the background images option. Hold on one sec.
All right, I can see your Blender setup. Find the background or viewport display settings.
Yeah, hold on. Okay, I'm back. So, basically, I have my images in here, but I need to learn how to set them to background images.
Background images do only show up in orthographic views. If you're in perspective view, they won't be visible. It's one of those little Blender quirks, but once you know it, you're working on that.
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. E, and then we're gonna move it on the Y-axis. All right, move this on the Y-axis in, no. Extrude in, yeah. While making the eyeball, I started to get a huge boost of confidence. It feels really good to make something that you wouldn't have no idea how to make on your own. Be sure to check out Blend Tuts and Oliver Villar with the link in the description below. Shade smooth. Yes. To put the icing on the cake, I was able to place the 3D eye on the 2D image and mirror it. Yes. 2 eyeballs, baby. So next, the book takes you into how to model the human head, starting from a simple box to get the plane structure, and then building on that and adding complexity. But my day was not without the usual hiccups. I got completely lost in the topology of making a human head. I think I might have underestimated this challenge a little bit. And now this is 5-sided too. Okay, I'm totally lost. Start over. I already knew that starting over was way faster and easier at this point. I memorized the previous steps and my second head was looking pretty good. Delete the new geometry. I think we're so much closer to getting where we need to be because of getting those first hiccups out the way. Cool, bevel vertices. This is extrude the lips, but it's like, where do I, let's see, how to connect extrusion blender. Okay, use M to merge them, okay. After figuring out how to merge and close the lips, I was gonna move on to the eyelids, which I should be a master at. I study these all the time. Things were actually shaping up pretty well, although I was super overtime. Oh, okay, wow, this is tough. There's my head. Okay, this is not as easy as I thought. And I think I'm gonna have to throw the book. Let's lock in here. All right, so let's add the subdivision modifier. Maybe this won't look absolutely... Okay. Huh. Kinda weird looking. Totally hate it. Okay, now I totally hate it when that shade smooth. That after all that work, the model looked terrible. It doesn't meet the quality standard that I produce for my YouTube channel. Here comes where things get a little bit out of hand. I guess this time I was just rushing to a finish, but unlike the last challenge, I was not proud at all of what I created. This is not working for the arms. All right, oh man, yeah. This is not going anywhere anytime soon, so I'm gonna call it quits. Abysmal looking. Let's see what everybody thinks. If you're wondering, this is my least favorite part of all of these videos. Okay, all right, post. I'm gonna finish editing this video while we wait to see what people say. 5 likes, okay. I don't like it, so. I love how the design looks not human, but you can recognize the human features. Keep it up. You're very kind. Gotta start somewhere and improve over time. Correct. Keep it. It's looking good. Give it a stamina mustache. Love and like. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Special thanks to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. If you want to see more challenges like this, leave me a comment down below, and I hope you have a good day. Peace.